iPhone Pro has probably really leaked, and there's actually some useful update this time, some changes, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. What's up, guys? Aman here. First, very importantly, if you are waiting for the base iPhone to upgrade this year, then there is no base iPhone this year. Yeah, there's no base iPhone 18 this year. In September this year, we are getting the iPhone 18 Pro, the Pro Max, and the new iPhone Fold or Ultra. And later in March 2027, we will get the iPhone 18, the second gen iPhone Air, and the iPhone 18e. So, yeah, Apple is changing things up. So, this year is going to be all about the new Fold and the Pros. And yes, like I said, the Pros has leaked. This is what the 18 Pro is going to look like. Yes, this has the same back design as the 17 Pros, but there are new colors, and there is finally going to be a nice matte black variant, a new blue variant, and there is this red cherry variant. And Apple is also set to make the back glass more color aligned with aluminum frame for a better look. There is actually one more important design change. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will feature a smaller dynamic island. Rumors suggest they doing so with an under display Face ID module, and some rumors say that the under display Face ID tech is not ready. But without the tech, the dynamic island is said to be getting smaller, 35% narrow compared to the last gen. And the biggest upgrade coming to camera. Apple is going to invent variable aperture with the iPhone 18 Pro with the help of Samsung. This could bring new control, new customized option to the cameras, and with the iOS 17 update reportedly bringing a new camera app. And not just that, the iPhone 18 Pro main and telephoto camera are set to be packed in wider aperture to take in more light better photo. With iPhone 18 Pros, the camera control button is getting fixed. Now it's set to be getting similar. So basically, it will now be a button to launch the camera, and it will be press sensitive. So maybe hard press launch a different camera mode or virtual intelligence. As all of this will be powered by the new Apple A20 Pro chip, which will be a 2 nanometer TSMC chip and set to be up to 15% faster than the last gen. And here is another important deal. So with the new chip, there is a larger battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be packed in a 5200 mAh battery in the eSIM module, up from 5088 mAh in the 17 Pro Max. And talking about iOS, this time iOS 27 will look more better because first up, the new Siri is set to be coming finally for the real this time. And hopefully a lot of AI feature probably powered by Gemini, and a new keyboard and improvement to liquid glass as well. So yeah, we will have to wait and see how this new iOS 27 update goes. Now, apart from all of this, there is one actual good news. Apple is reportedly planning to keep the price the same as the iPhone 17 Pro models. So 1.3 lakhs for the Pro and 1.5 lakh for the Pro Max. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.